Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new Incline Walking Pad. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. So as I'm putting this treadmill together, I gotta say it was easier than I expected. Everything comes ready out of the box. One of the main things that stood out to me is the incline. It has a manual 8% incline built in, and that makes a huge difference. It's great if you're trying to burn more calories or just want to get more out of a short workout. Feels way more intense than just walking on a flat surface. The motor is strong. It has a 3.5 horsepower, but it's super quiet. Even when running, it won't make that much noise. It's smooth and it doesn't feel shaky at all. Now the thing is, it is also compact as well. It weighs about 47 pounds, so once I had it all together, I could roll it easily, which I'll show at the end. You can use it a bunch of different ways too. With the handle down, it's a walking pad, and with the handle up, you can jog or run. And the incline option kind of stimulates going up a hill, which is a cool feature. The belt is nice and wide. I didn't feel cramped, and the cushioning is solid. It has a few layers to absorb impact, so it feels easy on your knees and joints. I use treadmills that feel stiff, but this one feels smooth and comfortable. All right, now let's go ahead and download the FitShow Treadmill app, which I think is one of the cooler features on here. This is what the layout looks like, and this is what it looks like once you actually select one of the workouts. All right, so I got the app downloaded on here, which I thought was one of the cooler features. So if we hit even just quick start, it'll connect to your treadmill. It's super cool. So now all I gotta do is set this up on here. Sticks onto there just fine so it doesn't fall off. And now we can get on. We'll use the remote. Whenever you use your treadmill, you want to make sure you put this clip on, so in case it starts to go too fast or it falls, it'll actually make the treadmill stop. So we're going to put that on as well. And let's say it does disconnect, it'll instantly stop just like that. Very cool feature. We're good to go again. You want to go ahead and lift both of these little legs up. Just like that, and now you have it at an incline. Now we'll go ahead and turn it back on. Can hold on to the rail. I did put on those screws just to keep it in place, so that way if you want to hold on to here, you can. So let's try it out. So as you can see, you can even handle a nice decent run on here as well. One of the other features I wanted to point out on the app is you are able to start it obviously right from the app, your workout. But the other thing is you can also control the speeds on it as well, which I'll show here shortly. So if you prefer to use the app versus the control, you are able to do so as well. And then once you're done using it, all you gotta do is remove those screw wheels and put the handle down. And it does have wheels at the very front, which I'll show here shortly. Just make sure you have everything properly disconnected, and then you are able to wheel it around wherever you need to. And in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and stand it up right against the wall. So as you can see, you could either stand it there or place it wherever it's convenient for you. So as you can see, you're able to store this wherever you like. You can go underneath the bed, just up against the wall like that, or even into a closet. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And if you guys are looking for a new walking treadmill with incline, make sure you guys look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link in the description. You guys can get yours. Highly recommend.